Everybody, Jim King with King Piers, back out here in Olathe, Kansas. We're gonna widen this trench out. We got some pipe and some rock, got some tar we gotta put on the walls. We poured a couple of footings yesterday inside the crawl space on the interior. We've got 3 King Piers that need to be encased in concrete on the backside. 1 King Pier need to be installed underneath. We've got the hole dug. We're gonna be redoing these footings here on these front posts on the front porch. This back slab here, you can see the bottom support is not even touching it. And we started late yesterday. We'll get this hole perfect, and then we'll get the King Pier in there and raise that slab to where it's really snug to that vertical beam. Calling it good. Then encase our 3 piers, King Pier 2s. We raised this footing here 3 inches to get it level. Just waiting on concrete. It's been so cold. We've held off. So King Piers, Olathe, Kansas. For all your foundation repair needs, call me. 816-521-8915. Thank you.